Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2004. The goal of structured programming is, right? It's a direct question. So basically, guys, structured programming is meant for developer friendly. Okay, so basically, if you are going to write any kind of structured programming, it will be it looks good, where your structures are written in the form of various kind of if else blocks, nested if blocks, or some kind of switch statement, right? So that we can able to simply check the flow of control of the program, right? So which the option is structured program is able to infer the flow of control from program context. So option C is the correct one, right? So have well intended programs, no, that is which we can go through any kind of programming language, we can able to understand, right? We'll able to infer the flow of control for the compiled code, no, that is not for the compiler, and which is meant for to avoid the use of go to statement, no, right? Option C is the correct one. Okay, fine. Thank you.